Get this, it's hot outside, but only imagine if you had a coat of fur. In Texas, people were noticed squirrels laying all around in this weird way. It's commonly called splooting. Look at that, there's a good one. The rodents don't sweat, they don't pant, so they have to spread out to stay cool. If you see a squirrel splooting, well, they aren't hurt, they're just hot.
You learn something new every day.
You learn something new every day.
How
many squirrels are going to be splooting
how
in
many
North
of
Alabama?
us? How many of us are going to be splooting? That's the question. We've got a hot weekend ahead.
Yeah, maybe. Well, the good thing we have, first of all, we don't have any fur. Second of all, we have the AC as well. We're definitely going to need that AC going through the weekend. I've been wanting to hear that story all morning. Let's show you what's happening out at the Way 31 Skycam Network. We've got plenty of sunshine, a few clouds out there. Temperatures, I will say these temperatures are actually from an hour ago, so we're likely in the upper 80s across all of North Alabama now, and we are heading for the upper 90s before all is said and done today. Right now at 11:19, the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network is nice and quiet. If you are heading south towards Birmingham this afternoon, they're dealing with some hit and miss showers down in central Alabama. Here in North Alabama, we'll have that chance for a few downpours later on today, but it's only a 20% chance. A lot of you are going to remain dry, I should say. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds throughout the rest of your Friday, but look at those temperatures, 98. That is our forecast high. As far as what it will feel like, well, it could be as hot as 104 this afternoon. So technically, we're not under a heat advisory or an excessive heat warning today, but that's obviously still enough to cause some problems. Just keep that in mind. Take it easy if you're going to be outside. Our UV index still in the extreme category. That means your sunburn time is 10 minutes or less this afternoon. Chores outdoors. This takes us through the weekend into early next week. I've kept the yellow lights across the board, not necessarily for storm chances. Those are few and far between. It's going to be that heat. High temperatures will remain in the upper 90s with those feels like temperatures starting to creep back into that heat advisory range, especially by Sunday. You notice for tomorrow afternoon, well, it's a carbon copy of today. Feeling like 103, 104 in many locations. Again, not an advisory, but you still need to take it easy tomorrow afternoon. And then by Sunday, we start to get closer to that criteria for a heat advisory, which is 105. As we get towards Monday, we'll do it all over again. I will say the Monday data for those feels like temperatures has gone down a couple of degrees, but you still see the upper 90s and near 100. It's going to be a very long heat wave yet again across North Alabama and much of the U.S. as well. Here we go with future radar, 5 o'clock this evening. Still see a few downpours, mainly in northeast Alabama. If we do see any downpours today, they're only going to last 20 to 30 minutes and they will not be severe. They'll fade away past sunset, will those downpours. Quiet this evening for any Friday night plans you might have. Waking up Saturday morning, all quiet as well. And nearly all of us will stay dry throughout the day on Saturday. But you notice by 6 o'clock tomorrow night, there's a couple of downpours up in Middle Tennessee. Those may try to sneak into our Tennessee counties as well. But again, a lot of us will stay dry this weekend and for quite some time too. Rainfall forecast for the next 7 days, well, not a whole lot. We'll be lucky if we get a tenth, maybe quarter of an inch of rain the week ahead. The highest rain chance in our 7-day forecast will come your way Tuesday and Wednesday. You see that 30% chance for some of those hit and miss storms by the middle part of next week. Otherwise, it's just downright hot. Highs remain in the upper 90s. Feels like temperatures well into the triple digits. And those overnight lows also warm and muggy in the mid 70s.